Hey, this is Ronald from Mathskills University, and today I want to talk to you about this 13-inch Ryobi trimmer edger. It's 69 bucks for a tool only, but it's 139 if you buy it with a battery and a charger. It lasts for about 20 minutes on full charge. It also auto feeds, so there's no bumping to get the line to advance. It weighs 7 pounds, holds 16 feet of line, and operates at 5,000 RPM. It's also easily switchable from an edger to a trimmer. With that said, it only comes with 3 key features. The handle here, and what you want to do is line up the screws to the indentions here, pop it in, and screw it down, and your handle will be in place. Pop the tape here off on the line, but the lines are easily replaceable. And then we want to put on your cover. There are 4 holes here that line up, and there are 4 screws right here in the clear package. Take them out and screw them in. The handle, as you can see, just pops on like this. Push it down, it's going to pop in place. Put the screw back in, tighten it up. And this is how I switch from edger to trimmer, and I'll show you that in a second. Now let's go out here and do some edging. This isn't a great view, sorry about that. I should have lowered my camera here.
Let's show you how it works.
Real quick, the way the trigger works is you push down on the top one while pulling up on the bottom one at the exact same time. On the other side, you have this release button, and you push this in when you want to turn from trimmer to edger.
And one thing I noticed is that the string, you want to make sure when the string is out that it comes to the width of this, so you can, on the side here, you have these little things you can press in. So I can press this in and pull out more string. And to change this, I can press this in and pull this out like this. Hold on 1 second. Like that. And then all you do is just put the string in there and pull it out. And then put this back in. And there are 2 holes over here on the side where this goes back in. And snap it back in like that. All right, let's do some more trimming. And I bet the dandelions growing. This year you don't want to kill the grass. Now I'm going to do a trimming. Let's go ahead and turn this. So I'm going to hold this button down right here. I'm going to turn this way. But that's what it's doing. And I'm probably not doing this right either. As you can see, I'm not good at edging, but this is how you would edge. Here's what that would look like. And go back to my trimming. So that's what we have, and this is what we have to do right here. So let's get her done. Somebody gets a haircut. Does a good job. Not too loud, not heavy at all. Get that. Yeah, it looks a whole lot better. Now let's do a walk. Let's cut that through. No, I'm out of string. So there you go. I'll give it 4 stars. Can't give it 5 until I've used it for a while, but you see I've had one for a long time, our other Ryobi, and it works just great. So this is an edger and a trimmer. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave them below. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace.